it's Tonjia Atomic and Onyx right there on my hand. And I am, and he's just gonna hang out, unboxing October's BoxyCharm. And the October, I got the September box kind of late, so I thought it was the October box, but it's because of when I ordered it. But now the October box is here. So, but just to show you, the October box is kind of small, because I have the September box right here, and it's much bigger. So, I don't know. I mean, good things come in small packages, they say sometimes. I doubt it's jewelry, but we'll see. I know it's not jewelry. It's makeup and skincare products. It's BoxyCharm. So, anyway, it says, hello, Charmer. Open it on up. And here is the little pamphlet. And it tells you what's inside, and it's telling you that there is there's some kind of contest, it looks like. So let's see what's in here. So the first thing that's in here is Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. So it's a prebiotic green mask that hopefully I can wear. I'm not sensitive to most things, but I am sensitive to things that, you know, have like algae and stuff in it. Not everything, but some things. So, but mostly I'm not sensitive to things. The next thing is Luna by Luna. So that is an interesting color. It's very light blue. It's like a sky blue. So we'll see what kind of looks I can make with this. I'm thinking like around winter time. That might be something I can use. The next thing is Iconic London. It says it's infused with biometric peptide, which plumps the lips. Let's see what color. Lip plumping gloss in nearly nude. I have something on, but I'm just gonna that's a pretty color. So I have something on underneath, so just know that it's gonna make the color look a little different. That's pretty though on me. Let's see. So this is something to wear. Oh, that's pretty. I can feel a little bit of a minty tingle. So this is the kind of color I'd wear, you know, with a dramatic eye. Or if I just want like a soft look. I like it. Okay, the next thing here is Touch Insole Ultra Hydrating Skin Balm. That's really a pretty package. Well, the lid is very, very tall. Very tall lid. Okay, that smells fresh and clean. It kind of reminds me of like what my mom used to use. She used to use hydrating stuff from Shiseido. I think it was Shiseido, and it kind of reminds me of that. Anyway, I like that. I could always use more moisturizers, so. Okay, and the very last thing in here is a Dose of Colors, which I've never used Dose of Colors before. This says it's a Baked Browns eyeshadow palette. Paraben-free, talc-free. And it says it's got these colors here. And I'm looking at the ingredients. It says may contain carmine. Okay. Darn. Maybe in the cherry wood color. Or maybe they put that on there because they put that on everything in certain colors. The only thing I can see, maybe some of the middle colors might have carmine. Anyway, I wouldn't buy anything with carmine. So that's one of the problems when you get these subscription boxes, is sometimes, like carmine is not vegan. It says it may contain carmine, but I don't know. So I mean, maybe in this one, possibly. But anyway, they look like pretty colors. I am glad that it's cruelty free. That is everything in the October BoxyCharm. And I don't... Oh, I do have the prices actually. So it looks like the shadow palette's $32. The Touch Insole moisturizer is $32. The lip pumping gloss is $26. And the veggie mask is $35. And the eyeliner is $16. So I feel like some of the prices seem like just a teeny bit high, but still, I paid $19 for the box. So I did like a 3-in-1, and I think, I mean, it is a little bit over $19 per box if you do the 3 boxes at once. So that's kind of nice. So it's still a good deal, even if the prices are like a teeny bit inflated, because it was only $19 for all this stuff. So I like it. I have one more box coming. I don't know if I'm going to keep doing it or not. I have to rethink my subscriptions and figure out what I'm going to do. So